All right, what's up guys? Today we are in my 370Z doing some track driving. A little bit about this car: intake, exhaust, tune. It has a race alignment, and yeah, that's about it. An oil cooler. You know, other than that, it's pretty stock. Let's just have some fun. One thing I should mention is that it is unbelievably hot out right now. It's about 90 degrees and very humid. It's spicy. These tires are Indy 500s and they overheat within, I'd say, like 3 laps. This is a small track. It's at Waterford Hills Raceway here in Michigan. Yeah, so definitely we're not gonna be out there for that long. All right, pulling onto the track. I've done, I think, 3 sessions so far. And, you know, I actually ran into fuel starving issues. So I went ahead and filled up the tank. It happened right around 3/4. I had about 6 gallons used. Really hoping that stops the hesitation that I was feeling. It's a common issue for 370Zs. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do to combat that in the future other than keep the tank topped off. We'll see. But we're just gonna have some fun. The track is so unbelievably hot today. The fastest time I set today was the first session. It's very, very greasy out here. You feel straight up the tires just do not want to cooperate. Oil temps have been good though. It hasn't gotten above, I'd say, like 240, 250. I have a 25 row oil cooler. I think that's the bare minimum if you track your car. All right, we should be good to start pushing. There we go. This car definitely moves a lot under braking. I don't know if it's because of the specific tires, maybe the alignment. Not 100% sure. There we go. I'm really working on using the whole track. I think I'm leaving a lot of time on the table because of that. Oh yeah. Love the way that this car sounds. There we go. Feeling pretty good and confident in this car. I've been experimenting trying to trill brake a little bit more, sort of easing off of the brakes into a corner, not necessarily just dumping my foot off. Oh my God, they're doing the septic tank and it smells like God, I have no. We need like a marker there to know when to brake. I just see a wall. Feeling good though. We're starting to get some rain, just a tiny bit. See on the windshield. There we go. Oh yeah. Feeling good now. Back straight. ABS kicking in there. These tires really, I think I'm out driving them, to be honest. I need some 200 treadwear tires. I think that's really gonna be the next upgrade for next year. Other than that, man, it's a good time. Suspension stock. I just have Z1 sway bars. And overall, I'm pretty impressed with the stock suspension. You definitely feel it leaning a little bit more. It's not as quick to react. It's not horrible. And it's very compliant on the street. But yeah, you can see into each braking zone, there's a really large chance that I lock up. But yeah, feeling good. I am a fan of this car. Oh yes. Really stretching that braking zone there. I'm just trying to find the limits of my car. And really that's the goal of today. I'm not going to be setting a PR. Well, technically I actually did. But I just want to get as good as I can be. I don't care about times. If I'm using the entire track, then I'm happy. Yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of that corner a little bit more. Woo! We had pizza for lunch. I'm feeling it, moving around. Auto rev matching, absolutely amazing. Woohoo! LSD's working overtime up there. There we go. I tried to kind of hold on the brake a little bit longer. Felt some of that trail braking action. And that's the kind of stuff that I need to sort of figure out. I know how to drive on a track, but I don't know how to drive like the limit. So I'm hoping that this car is going to be my tool for learning. All right, we're shutting it down there. Oil temp, 255, we'll say. Woo! So much fun. Man, track driving is definitely expensive, but there's nothing more fun than this. There just isn't. It's so good. So what's next for my car? Well, suspension would be cool. Go ahead and give this Corvette point by as I'm cooling down. Suspension would be great. I really need to do some engine maintenance with the oil gallery gaskets, as well as potentially a clutch and relocating the slave cylinder, because I haven't had any issues with it heating up yet, but I'm just worried about it. So I don't know, maybe one day I'll swap in a lightweight flywheel, save some weight, make it a little bit more rev happy. But yeah, no, honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Other than tires, which it desperately needs, this is a great little car and is pretty quick. It's about as quick as my Turbo Miata, right at the end when I had 200 treadwear tires. So, you know, it's definitely, I'd say quick. Not fast, but quick. thank you for watching. That was a blast. I'm having so much fun with this car, and yeah, just, I highly recommend anybody go to the track. It's fun. It's expensive, but it's worth it. You only live once. That's what I have to keep telling myself as I spend hundreds of dollars on this. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.